y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I thought I'd bring you along and I'm going to make some Christmas bark. And I'm using chocolate and vanilla, and I've got this chocolate one. I put it in the microwave at about 30-second intervals to get it melted, and I stirred it up really well. And then I've got some Oreo cookies that I had on hand, and I've also got some M&Ms back there that I'm going to use as well, and some pretzel sticks anyway. And I'm just going to get the cookies in a bowl, and I'm going to use the M&Ms. I'm not measuring anything, and then I'm going to break up the pretzel sticks. I don't want big pieces. I just want them not too small but not too big. And then I'm just going to mix that all together, and I'm just going to put it on my Silpat. And if you don't have that, you could just use aluminum foil or some parchment paper, and it probably wouldn't even stick to the pan itself. And I'm just going to pour this all over the cookies and the M&Ms and the pretzels, and just make sure you have everything covered. And then I'm going to put some sprinkles on there. I had that little tiny bit left, but I figured you could see that on top of the chocolate one. I did put some red on there, but you couldn't really tell. And I lost the footage, or I know it was user error, but I did not get it filmed where I broke the chocolate one up. And I didn't get the vanilla one filmed either, but it's the same way. I did the same thing. The only thing I did different was I put M&Ms on the top instead of the sprinkles. And now I'm just going to break this up and put that in my cookie tin, or my plastic cookie tin, and just break it up. And I had some big pieces and some little pieces, but it doesn't matter. It's still all good. And the stuff that I had left on the sheet, I just made that into some little candies, and I just used the extra white chocolate and mixed it all together, and now I've got some more treats that I can give out or eat. And I just put them in those little tins. I've got the chocolate ones in that one and the white chocolate in my cookie one, and it turned out really good. And if you wanted to use different candies, you could, just whatever you have on hand. So that's how I made my delicious chocolate and vanilla bark. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.